I have opened around 50 tabs in Microsoft Edge. So, it will be easier for me to organize them into groups. So, I click on Tab Actions menu, then select Group Similar Tabs option. Instantly, you will get a preview of the created tab groups. Microsoft Edge recently released the new feature of automatic tab grouping using AI. In my test, Microsoft Edge automatically combined all tabs of YouTube into one group. Click on 3 dots to change the group name and its assigned color. If it adds some unwanted tabs in a wrong group, simply drag those tabs and move them at desired location between tab groups. You can also drag a tab group to change its position. You can also press Ctrl key on keyboard, select specific tabs, and then move them combined to any other tab group. You can right-click on a tab to remove it from the group or move it to any other tab group. When you are happy, click the Group Tabs button. On a created tab group, right-click for more useful options. I hope you like the video. Thanks.